Can I customize the color of the circle around my Messenger picture?
Hello there. Are you looking to add a bit of color to your Facebook Messenger? You've come to the right place. Today, we're going to discuss how you can customize the color of the circle around your Messenger profile picture. Let's dive right in.
What is the circle around my Messenger picture?
Before we get into the how, let's understand the what. The circle around your Messenger profile picture, also known as the profile ring, shows your Messenger status to others. Its color changes automatically depending on your active status or if you have new stories to view. However, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Facebook doesn't allow users to manually change the color of this circle around the Messenger profile picture. But there are ways to change the color of the chat theme, which we'll discuss next.
Can I change the color of my chat theme?
Absolutely. You can customize the color of your chat theme in Facebook Messenger. This changes the color of the chat bubbles and the general theme of your chat screen, which can make your conversation feel more personalized and fun. Here are the steps. 1. Open a conversation in Facebook Messenger. 2. Tap on the name of the person or group on the top. 3. Go to Theme. 4. Here, you can select from a variety of colors and themes for your chat. Remember, these changes are specific to each chat, so you can have different colors for different people or groups. While you may not be able to change the color of the circle around your Messenger profile picture, you can still make your chats colorful and vibrant by changing the chat theme. We hope this video has been helpful and encourages you to add a bit of color to your chats. Stay tuned for more handy tips and tricks.